Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this video I will show you how to connect your smartphone to this vehicle via Bluetooth. This video should apply to 7th generation of Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. Okay, so for this video I will be using my Samsung S20. Now to start, first thing you want to do when the vehicle is running, I hope you'll be able to see the screen. It's kind of glossy for some reason, but what you want to do, you want to press onto the phone button right here, and now it might ask you no phone connected, do you want to pair a phone. Now sometimes this message doesn't show up, so I will press no for now, and you will get to this menu, no phone connected. What you want to do, you want to press settings, and then you want to press add device. Okay, so you will press add device, and now on your phone you will go under the settings, connections, Bluetooth, and now under available devices you should see uconnect. It's gonna say here on the screen, vehicle device name uconnect pin 1825, and under available devices here is the uconnect. So I'm gonna press that, and now it's pairing. Now my device is showing the passkey 450888. That same number should appear on this screen right here. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna press yes here, and I will press pair on my phone as well with the same code. Now the pairing is in process on both devices. Okay, pairing successful. Now make this your favorite phone, yes or no. Okay, I'll now press yes. Phone ready, updating phone book, and also my phone is gonna ask me allow access to contacts, messages, call history, stuff like that. Sure, why not, and allow. And now your phone is connected. And this is pretty much everything you have to do. Now the phone is connected and ready, so you can make phone calls while driving and things like that. If you press onto the settings, you'll see that your phone is gonna show up right here, Samsung S20, and you can have up to 4 phones paired to Dodge Charger. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.